You may be wondering, Jerry, where are you going? All we can see is you're crossing a road. Okay, I'm walking from Dubai to Sharjah. So I'm at the border of Dubai and Sharjah. So I'm on my way to Sharjah, to cinema theater, to watch a movie in this Sahara Center shopping mall, which is in Sharjah. I'm right now beyond the border in Dubai. So as you can see, that building, before that building there's a border. That's the border of Dubai and Sharjah. So I'm on my way to Sharjah. Right now Dubai, as you can see. I'm gonna cross this border towards Sharjah. See you in Sharjah. Okay, I'm almost there. I'm right at the border of Dubai and Sharjah. So they have placed these carpets because there's full of sand, complete desert. This place is still not much developed like in Marina and Jumeirah. So as you can see, people are walking on the carpet, walking towards the Sharjah. So right now I'm at Dubai. Okay, this is the border. Okay, as you can see, I just stepped into Sharjah. Now I'm officially in Sharjah. Look at this, as you can see, the Sharjah taxi. They look different. They don't look like Dubai taxi. Okay, everything is different in Sharjah. In Dubai, the taxis look like a cream yellow color. Sharjah, it's white. The taxis look different. And also I want to show you how Sharjah buses looks like. In Dubai, buses are in red, right? You have seen red and white. Some are blue and white. But in Sharjah, the buses are complete blue in color. I'll show you. I'm still walking towards there. Okay, as you can see, there's a bus parked at the bus stop. Oh, I have to walk a little more to the entrance of this mall. This is the shopping mall I was talking about, Sahara Center. I'm going to watch a movie in their movie theater inside the mall. I'm almost there. As you can see, this is the border of Dubai and Sharjah. Right now I'm in Sharjah. That's what you see in these buildings. They are in Dubai. You see the difference? That's the shopping supermarket that I'm always going to do shopping for, like grocery stuff, cooking stuff, vegetables, chicken, whatever I want to buy. I buy from that Nesto supermarket, which is in Dubai side. These buildings you see, they are in Dubai. Right now I'm in Sharjah. This is the border. Do I talk too much? Okay, I'm walking towards the entrance of this mall. As you can see, this is how a Sharjah taxi looks like. It's white. This is how Sharjah buses look like. It's blue and white. Some are complete blue. It's well organized than a few years back. It was not completely organized like this. It was completely different. This is how a bus looks like in Sharjah. Okay, I'm on my way to Sahara Center. Okay, I'm almost there. Okay, I'm right at the entrance of the Sahara Center Mall. As you can see, at the entrance of Sahara Center Mall. Okay, see you at the movie theater. this shopping mall is immense, beautiful, well organized. Earlier I have been to Sharjah many years back. It was not this completely organized, full desert. Now Sharjah is developed, almost like Dubai. Not completely like Dubai, almost. Okay, I got a free voucher to watch movie in Movo Cinema. Okay, I'm going there to use my free voucher. Okay, this is how the movie cinema looks like in Sahara Center shopping mall. See you in the theater. Okay, I got the ticket. This is the ticket. The show will start at 7:25 p.m. It's still 6:30, so I have to wait an hour. What am I gonna do? It gives me a popcorn and a soda. Let me try a popcorn and a soda and be ready for the movie. Okay, what I'm gonna do till then, I will just roam around and wander in the shopping mall until the show starts. I mean the movie starts. Let me just roam around a little bit. See you when the movie starts. Oh my God, look at the beauty of this mall. Look at the decoration with sunflowers. Wow, it's so beautiful. Another skylight roof decorated with chains of sunflowers. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, I think this SUV is for raffle, lottery. So beautiful. And a golden light. Okay, I just have to walk around until the show starts. Why I'm always saying show? It's not a show, it's a movie. Okay, let's keep on walking, Jerry. Okay, I'm at the food court in the shopping mall. Okay, I see many stalls, many restaurants. Nothing goes better like KFC. So I'm on my way looking for KFC. Oh, there is the Pizza Hut. There far away I can see KFC. Big K, big F, and big C. Big letters. Let's walk into KFC. I'll stop by KFC, have some chicken, good sustenance, protein. And then I'll proceed to cinema around 7:30. See you in the cinema. Or maybe some clips from KFC. Oh, it's 7:07. Okay, I got my KFC. It's a dinner meal for 28 dirhams. 3 chicken pieces, fries, a bun, coleslaw, and I selected a mojito because normally I always go for Pepsi or Coke Zero or whatever. For a change I got mojito. Okay, I gotta finish this meal faster and go to the cinema. The show will start, I always say show, I don't know why. The movie will start around 7:30. And they will give me popcorn and a soda too with that ticket. So now the time is 7:07. Okay, let me finish it. See you at the cinema theater. Crunchy chicken. Okay, I'm done with my KFC meal. Now I'm walking back to the cinema hall to watch my movie. It's around 7:20. So they said before 10 minutes before 7:30 come there. So I'm going. See you at the theater. Me and my mojito, ready for the movie. Okay, it'll start around 7:35. So I'll take a seat until we look at these nice decorations on the roof. Beautiful, isn't it? I'll take a seat until the movie starts. Not the movie starts. So they will call me 10 minutes before the movie starts. So this is the entrance. Look at the beauty. No problem. Just 5 minutes I have to stay. Then proceed to the movie theater with my... Oh, I forgot. With this ticket they said they will give popcorn and 1 soda. I'll take it before I enter the theater. Okay, see you inside the theater. $7:26. Oh, it's time for me to go in. Even 10 minutes past. I'm late. Let's go in.
Yeah, I give you some.
I'm getting popcorn. This is caramel popcorn I got. And my Coke Zero is on the way. This is my ticket. Screen number 2. You can see far away. Screen number 5 and 6. I think 2 must be somewhere around here. That's my Coke Zero. Thank you very much. Okay. Do I have to show the ticket there? I don't.
Screen number 2.
It's here?
Yeah, screen number 2.
Okay. Thank you.
Just like this.
Okay. Where's this screen number 2? Where is it? It's in the front. Oh, I can see screen number 1 and screen number 2. Okay, as I remember, my seat number is what is my seat number? Seat number 8. I think you won't see me here because of the low light situation.
Hey, Lois. Oh.
Okay, I'm done with the movie. It was a fascinating, beautiful movie. It's like 3D cartoon type of movie. It's called Super Pets. Super Pets. Lovely movie. Okay, now I'm on my way back to Dubai side. Now I'm in Sharjah, going back to Dubai. So I will show you the same way I came to Sharjah, going back to Dubai. I have to cross the border of Dubai, Sharjah. Okay, see you back in Dubai. Okay, I'm going back to Dubai. Okay, I just simply have to cross the border. Okay, as you can see, all these people are going back to Dubai. This is Sharjah. Now we are going to Dubai. Okay. Now I'm in Dubai. Hello, hello. This is how the Dubai taxi looks like. It's a creamy color. Okay, I have entered back to Dubai. That was Sharjah, where I watched the movie at the Sahara Center shopping mall. Now I'm in Dubai. Gotta cross the road. Okay, that was it. As I entered Dubai, now I'll go home and edit this video for you guys to see. It's a short video. That's it. Back in Dubai. Okay, it's around 8:30 in the evening in Dubai. So I just crossed the border from Sharjah to Dubai. As you can see, that side is Sharjah, this side is Dubai. It's just the border. So I'm in Dubai side right now, 8:30 p.m. Look at the traffic jam. Al Nahda, Dubai Sharjah border at 8:30 p.m. It's not moving. I'm on my way to Nesto supermarket in Al Nahda to buy some grocery stuff for cooking. Of course, I'm not cooking. My servant is cooking. You must have seen my servant in my Pani Puri video. He was having Pani Puri with me. Okay, it's time to end the video. Bye bye. See you in my next video. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.